Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning, students. In last class we discussed about what is a magnet, magnetic field, magnetic force, and then magnetic field lines produced by a bar magnet. Also we discussed the properties of magnetic field lines produced by a bar magnet, isn't it? Now the famous Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted proved that electricity and magnetism are interrelated. He proved by using a simple activity, by using a straight conductor which is connected to a battery and a switch in series. Then he placed a compass near the conductor and he found that the magnetic needle of the compass got deflected when it is placed nearby a current carrying conductor. Isn't it? Then he later concluded that electricity and magnetism were interrelated. Okay, so now we can discuss more about the magnetic field produced by a current carrying straight conductor. So for that, first of all we can do a small activity by using a straight conductor. So first you have to take a long straight conductor, then it should be connected to a battery and a switch as shown in figure. It's in series. It should be connected in series as shown in figure. Okay. Now switch on the current. Before that you have to place a compass over the straight conductor so that the magnetic needle is parallel to the straight conductor. Magnetic needle of the compass is parallel to the straight conductor. Then you have to switch on the current. You can see the compass needle shows deflection in one direction. Okay, the compass needle deflects in one direction. Okay, now you have to reverse the direction of current by interchanging the terminals. So what will happen to the magnetic needle? It shows deflection in opposite direction. The magnetic needle shows deflection in opposite direction. Now you have to increase the current or decrease the current by using a rheostat connected to the circuit. Okay, you have to increase or decrease the current by using a rheostat connected in the circuit. So you can see the deflection of the magnetic needle also varies. As the current increases, magnetic needle shows more deflection, and as the current decreases, magnetic needle shows less deflection. Is it clear? So and also you can place the compass closer to the conductor and to move away from the conductor. You can see the compass needle shows maximum deflection near the conductor and shows less deflection when it is moved away from the conductor. That means as it moves away from the conductor, magnetic field strength decreases. Is it clear? So from this activity we can find that when a current is passed through a conductor, straight conductor, it behaves like a magnet or it produces magnetic field, and when the direction of current is reversed, the direction of magnetic field also gets reversed. When the current is increased, the direction of our magnetic field strength also increased. When the current decreases, the magnetic field strength also decreases. Near the conductor, near the current carrying conductor, the magnetic field strength is maximum. As it moves away from the conductor, magnetic field strength is decreased. Okay, so that we can discuss by using another activity. Now we can do the activity 13.5 given in your textbook. So to do the activity we need a copper wire, a straight conductor. That means a copper wire, a switch, a battery and a cardboard with a hole at the center. You have to insert a straight conductor through this hole. Then connect it to switch, battery as shown in figure. You can also add a rheostat to increase or decrease the current in the circuit. Okay, now put some iron filings on the cardboard, then you have to switch on the key. So when the current start to flow through the straight conductor, you can see, you just tap on the cardboard. First you have to just tap on the cardboard. You can see these iron filings are arranged themselves in the form of concentric circles around this conductor on the cardboard. They arranged themselves in the form of concentric circles around the conductor on the cardboard. Okay, now you have to keep a compass near the conductor. That means on each the line along which concentric circle along which the iron filings are arranged. The magnetic needle, the north pole of the magnetic needle shows the direction of magnetic field. Now you just reverse the direction of current. So what will happen to the magnetic needle or deflection shown in the magnetic needle or magnetic field lines? The magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circles itself, but the direction of deflection changes. That means direction of magnetic field changes. So as the direction of current is reversed, the direction of magnetic field also get reversed. Okay, now we can increase or decrease the current in the circuit by using the rheostat connected in the circuit. So when we increase the current, we can see the deflection in the compass needle also increases. When we decrease the current, we can see the deflection in the compass needle also decreases. So that shows as the current increases in the circuit, the magnetic field strength also increases. When the current in the circuit decreases, magnetic field strength also decreases. So now we can discuss more about the properties of magnetic field lines produced by a current carrying straight conductor. The first one is each and every point on the conductor produces magnetic field lines in the form of concentric circles around the conductor with their plane perpendicular to the conductor. With their plane perpendicular to the conductor, because conductor is in this plane and cardboard is in this plane. So both are perpendicular. So each and every point on the conductor produces magnetic field lines in the form of concentric circles with their plane perpendicular to the conductor, and their centers lie on the conductor. Is it clear? And second point is the magnetic field strength is more near the conductor and it decreases as we move away from the conductor. Magnetic field strength is more near the conductor and it decreases as we move away from the conductor. When the current is increased in the circuit, the magnetic field lines become more denser. When we increase the current in the circuit, the magnetic field lines become more denser and hence the magnetic field strength also increases. When we increase the current, the number of magnetic field lines become more denser and hence the magnetic field strength also increases. When we reverse the direction of current, the direction of magnetic field lines also changes and hence the direction of magnetic field also gets reversed. Every point on the conductor produces maximum magnetic field lines around that point. Then the direction of magnetic field or field lines can be detected by using right hand thumb rule. The direction of magnetic field around a current carrying straight conductor can be detected by right hand thumb rule. It states that imagine if you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in such a way that the thumb points in the direction of electric current, then the fingers which wrap around the conductor or curled fingers shows the direction of magnetic field around the current carrying straight conductor. Suppose if the current is in upward direction, then the curled fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. So in this case, the magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction. So if the current is in the downward direction, then the curled finger shows the direction of magnetic field. So here the direction of magnetic field in the clockwise direction. Is it clear? So the right hand thumb rule shows the direction of magnetic, helps to detect the direction of magnetic field around a current carrying state conductor. So if you are holding a current carrying state conductor in such a way that the thumb points in the direction of electric current, then the fingers which wrap around the conductor shows the direction of magnetic field.